Your Mac Mini M1, M2, M4 might seem ready to use, but if you see the operation couldn't be completed, activation lock could not be removed. It can stop you from accessing your Mac. This usually happens because of Apple ID issues, iCloud locks, or incorrect credentials. But don't worry, in this video I'll show you how to fix the activation lock removal error on your Mac Mini. So let's fix it right now. Solution 1. Check iCloud.com. First, go to iCloud.com from another device. Next, sign in with your Apple ID. After that, click on Find My. Here you will get all the devices you signed in with your Apple ID, including Mac. To select your Mac, next, click Remove. Click Remove again. Wait a few minutes, and then restart your Mac Mini. Solution 2. Contact the previous owner. If you purchased the Mac Mini used, and if it's still linked to someone else's Apple ID, then you need them to remove it from their iCloud account. They can follow the steps above on iCloud.com as well. And that's it. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then don't forget to hit that like button, and if you have any kind of questions, then ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.